Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and monthly recurring commissions have recently come in. So I'm live here in my account. I'm going to go into transactions and show you my all-time. Warrior Plus is great for all the information they give you so you can monitor your progress. The default is the last 30 days. So we're going to go into my all time. And a bit later on in the video, I'm going to show you how to earn multiple income streams as well as monthly recurring profits. So here in the account, you'll see we're concerned with three columns here. The right-hand column here is the commissions. That's $8,192. Products in sales, 16,531. And this column over here is really key because we're going to show you I've sold 1,875 products in this column here. I'm going to show you how you can promote one link with high converting upgrades. Excuse me. So, but more importantly in this video, I want to show you that the predominantly these offers are autopilot buyers traffic offers. So it's a great way to automate your traffic 24/7. I want to show you how you can go to the next level as an affiliate and get your traffic for free. That's the key thing. Always try and get your traffic for free as an affiliate. After that, I want to show you some real proof that you can earn multiple income streams by promoting one link with the upgrades. They're built into the funnel. You just promote one link again. And after that, I want to show you how to get a funded traffic proposal so you're in profit every single month. So what that means is, as an affiliate, you promote these offers, and then what you can do is you can reinvest a percentage of those profits to buy more traffic rather than buy the traffic. If you're like me and you've got a full-time job, then you don't have to buy the traffic anymore excuse me, from your wages or your job income or your savings in your bank account. And I'm going to show you my strategy that I've personally used to earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus offers. There will be an income disclaimer in the description, so I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what's worked for me. We've all got an equal opportunity to join these Warrior Plus offers as a member and also promote them as an affiliate. So let's have a look at a couple of key things here and just show you why this really works, because traffic is an evergreen niche and an in-demand niche as well. Everyone needs traffic and more traffic. So what you'll see here is down the right hand side you've got a little circular arrow, and this denotes how many months in a row these members, like myself, I'm a member of each and every one of these. You've got to be a member before you can become an affiliate. But you'll see here 18 months in a row this member has been paying. So you get a high retention with these offers because a lot of the members are becoming affiliates and getting into profit and staying long-term members. Any of the gaps here where you don't see a circular arrow where new members are coming in, you'll see this one here is a yearly commission. So some members are paying up front for a year, but all these circular arrows here, every single one is a recurring payment. This is how you get into profit. You only need a couple of these to get your traffic for free, and you carry on promoting, and then you start to get these the consistency as well. And you'll see here new members coming in, as well as existing members paying their monthly memberships month after month here. Now, let me just show you here. This is really important because each one of these offers has got more than one income stream. They've got upgrades built into them. So I want to show you some proof that on average about 1 in 3 of members are upgrading to get more traffic, or they're upgrading to buy a product that's going to help them build their business faster. So first of all, I'll show you Easy Clix. Easy Clix is one of the offers that I promote. Now, what I've done here, I'm live in my Gmail account. You'll see the dates on the right-hand side here. What I've done here is I've highlighted in blue where a member has upgraded. So the white ones are where they haven't. And when you see a block here of 2, when you see a block here of 6, then this you'll see the members joined Easy Clix, and then they've upgraded to triple traffic upgrade. So when I was over here and I showed you 1,875 products that I've sold, a lot of these are from the excuse me, a lot of these are from the upgrades. So as we scroll down here, you'll see the dates on the right hand side. We've got a block of we've got a block of 8. So 1, 2, 4 in a row upgraded, and then you've got 4 in a row that never. Then you come down here, you've got 1 that never, 1 that did, 1 that never, but 3 that did. So on average, about 1 in 3, and this is all during the course of last year. This is all during the course of last year. So I show you these just to show you that there's consistency in the upgrades. This goes right back to the 2nd of February last year. Another product that I promote is Click Traffic Cyclone. Now, Click Traffic Cyclone has got some higher commission upgrades. They call them one-time offers. And you'll see here, there's $23 one here. Anything where you've got OTO is one-time offer. They're all upgrades. OTO 1, OTO 2, OTO 3. Come down here. This one's OTO 4, a $30 commission. So again, you just promote one link, which is the Click Traffic Cyclone product. And then the members are getting benefits from advanced case study, gold rotator. This one here is a $46 commission. So you're just going to promote that one link and then just earn those multiple income streams. So let me just come now to the strategy. So what I did, I got lots of questions about how I was getting these results. So I created a page, how I'm able to automate daily commissions and earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus, but more importantly, how you can too. So what I did is this video here is it's called How to Get Your Buyer Traffic for Free, but it's a lot more than that. When you watch it, there's a lot more benefits than that. So I'm going to pin this page to the first comment below the video you're watching now. So you can watch this video. It's perfect for beginners as well. If you haven't made your first dollar online yet, if you're struggling to make consistent commissions, recurring commissions, then these Warrior Plus offers, because they're in an evergreen niche, which is traffic, are perfect for beginners. And then what you'll see here below, you've got all the offers which you can get more information on, or you can join. They'll open up in a new tab. You can even have this page here. I've done a video on how to set the page up. All you've got to do is copy this page, copy and paste that into Leads Leap, join Leads Leap for free there. And then you can promote that page if you wish to do so. So my video will stay on there. The page is completely rebranded to you. All you've got to do is just put your affiliate links in here. And I think I'm also going to put an update video below this one, so people can still see that the strategy is a growing income stream and not just one that's losing money, but it's also making money. And what I'm going to do is, if you see down here, predominantly 4 offers. So To help my students boost their commissions, I'm creating a free done for you funnel. I'll give you easy clicks as an example. So if you partner with me, even if you haven't partnered with me, then just send me an email and I can send these over to you. I'm very happy to share them. Um, I'm going to give you, I'm going to create one of these funnels for each of those 4 offers. So there'll be a lead capture page like this. My proof video will go on there, and all you'll need to do is put just use the share codes. Your prospect puts their email in there, then they get taken to this page here. So this is completely done for you. I'll update the proof video on here, so you don't have to do anything there. You'll get this page where you can put your EasyClick affiliate link in there. They can join Leads Leap through you in there, and I've given you all the share codes here to create the lead capture page, this page with a welcome page, and also the follow-up messages here. So I've even written 7 email follow-ups that will go out automatically, and then that will help you boost your commissions. I've personally written those myself for my students because the ones that I use have got my proof videos in, but I've written these for my students. And also on this page, there's even more income streams. So there's 5 free traffic sources there. If you join those and put your affiliate links in there, if any of your referrals upgrade, even as a free member, you'll earn more commissions. So it's a done for you funnel with up to 8 income streams built into it. Video tutorials are on there as well. So everything you need is here to become successful with Warrior Plus, and also with Leads Leap. Leads Leap I've earned $932. So if you create the funnel and you promote the lead capture page, then you can also earn monthly recurring commissions with Leads Leap, because your Leads Leap affiliate link will go into here. So quite a lot of information. We jumped about a little bit, but the main thing is the strategy works. And then if you want to join any of these offers through this page here or through the links in the description, and you partner with me, I'm very happy to give you the funnels. And if you're a member of any of these already and you want my funnels, then I'll share them with you. Just send me an email to the email addresses in the description, and I'll give you. I'll send those share codes across to you. There's going to be a funnel for each of these 4 products here. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and have now got over 1,000 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about any of the content in today's video, then please put those questions in the comments below. Answer all the questions for you. And like I said before, my email address is in the description. If you need any help or you want any of these funnels, I've created 2 of the funnels already. I'll have the next couple of funnels ready, probably the next couple of weeks. I'll have all 4 funnels will be ready for you within the next couple of weeks. But I've done 2 already. I've done Easy Clicks, and I've created the Click engine. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.